The Chelsea Piers are a series of piers located in the Chelsea neighborhood of Manhattan in New York City. They extend from 18th Street to 23rd Street and from the Hudson River to the East River. The Chelsea Piers were originally a shipping complex and were later used as a transportation center for automobiles and then trucks. In recent years, the Chelsea Piers have been redeveloped into a sports and entertainment complex. One of the newest attractions at the Chelsea Piers is a helicopter landing pad. On October 3, 2011, the first helicopter landed on the Chelsea Piers helipad. The helipad is part of a new $75 million project at the Chelsea Piers that also includes a golf simulator, basketball courts, and a rock climbing wall.